It's been quite a 24 hours. If you've seen our previous video, you'll have seen that we got snowed in, obviously. Morning. If we ever needed a reason to justify why we've early retired, this morning is probably it.
Yeah, watching the sun rise and hitting those walls is just amazing.
It's so quiet and it's so peaceful, and yet we're video recording, which is a bit weird, but we just had to share this because it is just simply mind-blowing and definitely worth getting up early for in the freezing cold. So we're just at the Kaibab trailhead, and we're about to embark on our very first downward climb of a mountain. It's a bit strange, it's a bit in reverse, so it's frozen at the top, it gets warmer towards the bottom, we're all downhill, and then we've got to climb back out at the end.
We've got to wear our microspikes because it is that slippy, and we're going below the rim.
It's going to be pretty exciting.
Yay!
And it's sunny!
Yeah. So we've been walking for an hour and 3/4. we've done 4 kilometres and we have reached the point where we're probably going to turn round.
It's a really strange one, walking downhill before you've then got to walk uphill. They recommend that it takes twice the time to get back out of the canyon than it does to get down the canyon. So it's going to be a fair old day. We're not quite sure how much height we've still got to go now, but it's been amazing.
Yeah, the views walking down have been absolutely stunning. The colours of the rocks change with every corner that you go around.
But one of the things I definitely wouldn't be doing is sitting on a mule and letting it ride me out of here. We passed some on the way down. No, it's not for me. Tiny footpaths, icy footpaths, and those mules were loving it.
They were. Oh gosh, I was so scared just them going past us.
So no mules for us. It's just sheer legwork to get out of here, and in a couple of hours hopefully we'll see you at the top.
Yep, I think I'm going to take a couple of layers off because I think it's going to be hard work getting back up there.
See you later.
Bye. So it's definitely at this point we're appreciating the fact that we've got microspikes on. We had to go and buy some when we were in Phoenix because we realised it was going to snow, and we can't believe the amount of people that we've seen on the slopes going down just in trainers or without any spikes or watering poles. Morning.
Morning.
It's day 2 and we are now hiking the Bright Angel Trail.
Yep, just down from where we're staying in the lodge by the same name, and it's pretty, we used the phrase, I've used it in Facebook this morning, it's pretty epic. It keeps its snow, but we've just got the most amazing vista as we go down here.
And the snow has been really deep walking down. The trail's flattened out, but I've just had to step off the trail to let someone go past, and I went right down to my thighs.
But it's holding the snow well, so hopefully we shouldn't have too much mud, and we'll see how far down we get before we've got to start turning round. Hiya.
Hi, we've made it down to the 3 Mile Rest House.
And it's been lovely all the way down. Very different to yesterday. I'm not going to sound like a geologist or anything, but really interesting to watch how the rocks change on the way down. It feels like we've come down a long way.
We have. We've come down 6.27 kilometres
So,
and nearly 650 metres.
so it's going to be a long way back up, but we'll see how it goes. But at least, well, on the way down, it was pretty frozen most of the way, which actually made it better.
Yeah, lots of snow, lots of sun. It's been beautiful.
So we'll see you at the top, hopefully.